Okay, here we are at Jammy's house. We're going to be playing Bouncy Ball. We've developed this game, and it's played with these balls, and this is how we do it. Ready?
Yes.
Okay, I have mine. Zach has his. Wait, you have to get into the camera view. Come over here. Okay, come over so that you're in. All right.
Yeah.
So then we take these balls and 1, 2, 3. We just bang them.
Oh my!
So they go all over the place.
You're trying to get them in the basket.
Oh, we're trying to
Ow! What I threw at me again.
Here's a smiley faced one. All right, here we go. And if the smiley face goes in, you get double point.
Ow! My butt.
Let's see if we can get it in the. Okay, and that's how it's played. All right, you want to do it again?
Let's keep going.
Okay, go, go, go. All right, here they go. Ouch! I caught one.
With what?
All right, here we go.
And if you get the half-eaten one, you get half the points.
Okay. All right, so sign off. Say that's all, folks.
That's all.